I'm Dr. Ben Brown. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon in Pensacola, Florida at Restore Plastic Surgery. My family and I love living in Pensacola, Florida. When I was in college at Tulane University, my girlfriend at the time, now my wife, and I would come over to Pensacola to visit the beautiful beaches and enjoy the water. When we would visit Pensacola, we always said that when I was done with all this training, we would settle down in Pensacola and make it our home, and that is what we have done. We've enjoyed living in Pensacola since we moved there in 2015. It's the most beautiful city we've ever lived in, and we just can't get enough of the beautiful beaches and the water. We've also really enjoyed meeting all the wonderful people in Pensacola. It is such a beautiful, thriving city with such great people, and we couldn't be happier living in Pensacola, Florida. My oldest son, Jacob, was diagnosed with autism when he was 3 years old. So in Pensacola, my wife and I are very active with the various autism organizations in supporting children and family with autism and special needs. My family and I have a strong history of volunteering, and that's what inspired me to become a physician. When I was a child, I would travel to Honduras with my father, who's a family physician, and perform medical missions or go on medical missions in rural areas of Honduras. Not only did I get to spend time with my dad, but it inspired me to become a physician as I grew up as well. When I was in medical school, I continued to go on these missions to Honduras with my father. And then when I was a plastic surgery resident at Georgetown, I was able to go on Operation Smile missions to India, which was also very rewarding. I finished my undergraduate degree in cell and molecular biology at Tulane University, and when I graduated valedictorian of my medical school in 2005. I then went to medical school at the University of Texas in Dallas and graduated in 2009. I then started my plastic surgery training at Georgetown, which finished in 2015. My co-residents gave me a standing ovation when I received the Outstanding Resident Teacher Award for the third year in a row. And then we moved to Pensacola and started a practice. So currently I have the plastic surgery practice that I always dreamed of. I have a practice that consists of breast reconstruction, cosmetic breast and body contouring surgery, and facial rejuvenation. What makes my practice unique is the customized and sophisticated approach that I take to every patient's problem. So I was fortunate enough to train at a 6-year integrated plastic surgery program, which gave me a lot of experience and exposure to plastic surgery and all the different techniques and approaches within plastic surgery. So when a patient comes to me with a problem or a concern, we are usually able to address it using a combination of different techniques and approaches that best fits their anatomy and their time to recover and their budget. I'm Dr. Ben Brown. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon in Pensacola, Florida. I love what I do. I have the best job in the world. Nothing is more rewarding than solving patients' problems, be it reconstructive or cosmetic. If there's anything we can do for you or you have any questions, please give us a call. Our phone number is 850-500-7527. You can also visit our website at www.restoreplasticsurgery.com.